BDE, Beginner Driver Education, registration process by SR Safe Driving School. Hi, got your G1? Your journey continues with the BDE registration process at SR Safe Driving School, the next big step toward your G2. Ready to join an MTO-Approved BDE course? Your driving journey starts right here with SR Safe Driving School, the most trusted, top-rated driving school in downtown Toronto and Scarborough. Visit srsafedrivingschool.com. Choose the package that matches your goals: bronze, silver, or gold. Why watch this video? This video is your complete step-by-step guide to registering for the MTO-Approved BDE program. You'll learn how to sign up, what each package includes, total training hours, hidden benefits, and why BDE gives new Ontario drivers the biggest advantage. At SR Safe Driving School, instructor Selena teaches with calm, patience, and heart. Her students build real road confidence, and most pass on their first try, 9 out of 10. What you'll learn in this video? How to register online for your BDE program. Bronze versus silver versus gold. Full comparison. Fully online, self-paced theory plus professional in-car training. How BDE helps you get your G2 earlier. How BDE helps you reduce your insurance costs. Why this program is ideal for newcomers, students, and busy adults. Real support from registration until your first try pass. SR Safe Driving School. BDE packages. Learn at your own pace, anywhere, anytime. All you need is a smartphone, computer, tablet, and Wi-Fi. Bronze package. 20 hours online theory, 10 hours in-car training, 10 hours home-link practice, certification and early G2 eligibility, mock test, additional support, no car for road test. Silver package. 20 plus 10 hours online access, 11 hours in-car lessons, mock test plus car for road test, Metro East, extra support for nervous drivers. Gold package. Full BDE hours, 20 plus 10 online, first try pass intensive, 15 hours, highway trial and full mock test review, car for Metro East or Port Union road test. Star important. Why BDE is a must for new drivers. Take your G2 earlier, save big on insurance, build strong driving confidence, learn parking, defensive driving, city and highway routes. Certificate uploaded directly to the MTO system. Full support from SR Safe Driving School. Step-by-step registration help. Online class support. One-on-one in-car coaching. Metro East and Port Union route practice. Newcomer-friendly instruction. Confidence build-in with instructor Selena. Real, proven strategies for first-try G2 and G success. Start your driving journey with real confidence. Register today and become a world-class driver. SR Safe Driving School, downtown Toronto and Scarborough. srsafedrivingschool.com